So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to paper trade stocks on the Webull application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Webull. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom right to where it says menu, press on that. Then go to scroll down a little bit, go to where it says shortcuts right here, and as you can tell, you have a whole bunch of different options. You have my rewards, help center, my alerts, etc. I want you to press on PaperTrade just right here. So in between my alerts and sim holdings, press on PaperTrade. Now, once you're on the PaperTrade screen, what you can actually do is actually paper trade. So this basically means trading, or I guess practice trading with a fake amount of money that isn't real whatsoever. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you can sort of go to trade right here. You can, go to trade. If I wanted to search up, for example, for this demonstration, ticker symbol, how about we go with Microsoft, MSFT, MSFT. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead here, go to the bottom, press on paper trade, and when you're paper trading, you can buy or sell, you can limit order it, you can market order, you can do as much as you want, as little as you want. It doesn't really matter. As you can tell, my buying power for this example is 1 million US dollars. So if I wanted to go right here and buy 100 shares of Microsoft stock, just like that, not 10,000 shares of Microsoft stock, I'll delete all of that, just go to 100, then press on next. There you go. I can go ahead and press on paper trade right here. Once that is done, there you go. We've now actually ordered Microsoft stock. So if you were to go back to your account right here, press on cancel. As you can tell, your buying power for me is actually a little bit lower because I bought about $40,000 or whatever worth of stock in this paper trading account. So if you want to reset it as well, it's fairly straightforward. Press on reset right here. Go to your reset to your initial funds, or you can actually change it to whatever you want. You can go to 2,000, whatever the case is right here. We'll go to 2 million. Just for this demonstration, press on confirm reset. Now your balance has been reset and your account has been reset in your paper trading account. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to paper trade stocks on Webull. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.